everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today we will be discussing this product here, which is the Bondi Sands Tanning Application Mitt. Now, I was super excited to be gifted this from someone in my family. Bondi Sands is definitely a brand that I have been wanting to try but just haven't as yet. So I have a few products which you will definitely see reviews coming soon if they're not up already. So I previously have been using, I don't want to say the brand, but it's definitely a cheaper, not a well-known for tanning products brand mitt. I have probably been using that for like 4 months and it's just become not great. From the get-go, to be honest, that mitt, I didn't feel like it was applying the tan very well. I found it like it was a little bit streaky and I just didn't love it. So being able to test this, which is specifically a tanning company, I was super excited to see if there would be a difference. And can I tell you, there is an exceptional difference. Like, even I am absolutely shocked. So just for reference as well, just to give you some information about it. So on the Bondi Sands website, it is $9.95. The description says Bondi Sands Self-Tan Application Mitt enables the application of a streak-free, flawless tan while keeping hands stain-free. Washable and reusable, the application mitt is perfect for use with all Bondi Sands products. It's suitable for applying self-tan all over the body, and it just says use with any Bondi Sands self-tan range. Directions: apply Bondi Sands self-tanning products to the plain side of your tanning mitt. What does that mean? Both sides look the same, so I'm confused at that. Rub onto your skin in a circular motion is step number 2, and step number 3 is after use, rinse mitt with warm water. Hands will remain perfectly clean. So I only started using mousse type tanning products within the last year, I would say. So tanning mitts are an essential in my tanning routine. So the first time I used this, I found that it was soaking up the product quite a bit and not really putting it onto my skin a lot. So I feel like the first application, just be aware of that. But the difference in what my tan looks like using this mitt compared to the previous one I was using, it is actually flawless. It's so surprising, honestly. I just cannot believe, like, my hands, my knees, my feet, there are no like streaks or marks, or I don't have like the marks on my elbows that I usually do from the other mitt. So I don't understand what they've put into this mitt or the actual difference between different types of mitts, but this is by far my go-to mitt now and in the future because it is just so seamless, so easy, feels beautiful, and yeah, it's lasted such a long time and still looking brand new. So if you're looking for a tanning mitt, look no further. Check out the Bondi Sands range. Incredible, absolutely incredible. So if you've tried this, let me know your thoughts, or let me know your favorite tanning mitt. I would absolutely love to hear from you. And also, what's your favorite Bondi Sands product? I honestly want to try so many more things and share them with you. So put a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I hope you guys found this helpful. As always, I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Thanks again. Bye.